I understand you've been watching all the videos, reading all the books. Well, in this video, you're going to learn how to activate the law of attraction fast using 8 easy techniques. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're so filled with gratitude and love because it's just a beautiful day, isn't it? It absolutely is. And when you're manifesting miracles in your life, your day gets even better. That's why we wrote a special ebook for you called How to Manifest Miracles. How to manifest miracles. And it sounds simple enough, but oftentimes people will go through their entire life and never see a miracle. And you should be getting miracles happening almost every day. So go to the description of this video and I'll have the URL there for you waiting. It's yours free. It's a free ebook, our gift from us to you. So high flyers, the law of attraction is always working, but to learn how to activate it in the direction of your own dreams, your own desires, what you want, okay, what you desire out of life, there are some easy techniques that if you use them, they literally always work. So I'm going to share them with you now. Number 1 is scripting 3 times a week. Now, in the video I recently did, I talk about how I like to script 5 times a week. So I've put the link of that video here and also in the description in case you missed it. I think scripting is huge. I mean, it's so powerful when it comes to helping you manifest your deepest desires, dreams, and goals because it activates so much of who you are, your imagination, your neuromuscular system, your energy field, all of it. And it all comes together in words and ideas and pictures that come from your mind. And when you do that, those words, ideas, and pictures, they begin to manifest into your reality. Well, high flyers, the next one is to make some space in your life. I had a client not long ago, and she said, I lost my boyfriend. I said, why? And she said, well, I went over to his house all the time, and he said, how come you never invite me to your place? And I was embarrassed because I have years and years of clutter in my place. Now, look, most people don't have years of clutter in their place. But clutter, especially things you don't really need, it gets in the way of clear thinking and it breaks up the energy. You have a focused attention on a direction. And when you have all this clutter, it's not making space for anything new to come into your life. It's time to clear out the old and bring in new. And that new will be in harmony with where you want to go and what you are becoming. High flyers, number 3 is to act as if. Think it, feel it, believe it. You know, when I was living in a broken down hotel room, and I was using a throwaway phone, and I didn't have a car, and I was behind on the rent, I never once thought of myself as someone who was down and out. I believed that I was creating my own special empire. And you're creating your empire, an empire of love, an empire of happiness, an empire of prosperity, an empire of abundance, whatever it is that you're interested in. You're creating it. Live there right now. Don't live in lack. Don't live in the state of want. live in the state of I have, it's mine. I think it's so much better. You feel better. You know, when I was really down and out, it kept me from getting depressed. You know, sometimes I'd go across the street and have a bagel and a cup of coffee for dinner. And I'd visualize that I was with a group of people and we were all talking about manifesting and the law of attraction. And I was at a nice restaurant and we were eating fine food. And then we were going to a theater play or a movie together or doing something. I would visualize that and believe that it was happening now. Act as if. So high flyers, number 4 is you just need this. This is all you need, one of these. And you need one of these. And you write down your limiting beliefs. What are your limiting beliefs? What are your doubts? What are your fears? What's holding you back? What's stopping you from attracting the life that you deserve and are worthy of? Write them down and then challenge them. I write down a limiting belief and then I challenge it. And I come up with evidence as if I was a lawyer. I come up with evidence why that limiting belief doesn't exist, doesn't make sense, isn't real. And then I replace it with a new positive belief. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Well, high flyers, number 5 is make the feeling intense. Make it as intense as you possibly can. If you are looking to manifest a new car, you know, go down to the car lot, ask them if you can sit in the car for a few moments because you're thinking of buying it. Put your hands on the wheel, close your eyes, and feel it. Feel the energy of the car. Hear the purr of the engine. Visualize people looking at you in that new car. Feel it. Maybe it's a new house. Visualize yourself walking into your new house and looking around. We have a new house, and even though it's mostly decorated, I'm now looking at how can we upgrade our decorations, our symbols, to represent who we are, what we're about, the love that we feel. So, feel it. Make it intense. Well, high flyers, number 6 is gratitude. And I know people, they cross this off. They go, oh, gratitude. That is. And I did that once too. And when I was really down and out, a lady bought me, my favorite was bagels. And she bought me a bagel and paid for my bagel and coffee. Asked me if there's anything else I'd like. I said, how about a piece of fruit? I haven't eaten fruit in a while. So, and I was so grateful. And I couldn't stop thinking about the gift that she gave. And all that week, opportunities, people, and money came flowing into my life. When you're living in a state of total, I call it bliss, but it's gratitude. You're grateful for everything. There's no room for negative thoughts. There's no room for lower vibration. Gratitude. Well, number 8 is what I call the mirror technique, or I am affirmations in the mirror. I am strong. I am a good father. I am an incredible husband. I am prosperous. I am abundant, and on and on. And I look at myself right in the mirror. Okay, it's that simple. You do that in the morning, and then you carry those affirmations around and you blast them a few times throughout the day. But the morning is when you have that mirror time with yourself. It's very powerful. And number 8, take inspired action. Oh, yeah. Get excited about the action. Get excited about movement. Get your body into movement. Get your mind into movement. Make a phone call. Write a letter. Drive across town and knock on a door. Whatever you have to do, take inspired action. We did this one couple, they're separated. And I said, let's send some flowers. He said he wanted to send flowers. I said, let's not just send ordinary flowers. Let's send an invisible message. So I forget the exact arrangement, but there was 2 or 3 pink ones in the center of a bunch of white ones. And she got that. And she didn't just get the flowers. She got the vibration. She got the message. He took inspired action. He was inspired to send the flowers. I was inspired by his idea, and I gave him a few tips. And together, we came up with something that opened up her heart to his heart, to love. Oh, I love that. I love it when love comes together. Don't you, Rachel?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, hey, there it is. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching and find out what a mentoring program can do for your life. You have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it.